Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be doing this really pretty eye makeup look and lips. I want to rock this red and I want to show you how you can actually do red lipstick with a little bit of a lip pencil, and it's going to suit almost every single person. If you're not a huge fan of red color or if you don't really know how to wear it, first and foremost, I'm going to show you the eye makeup look. And second option is probably, berry color, pink, dark plum shade is going to work fine as well. So if you want to substitute this red with a plum color, go ahead and do that. Let's get started. We're going to get started with the eye makeup. I'm going to prime my lid with NYX eye primer, and let's set the lid with white eyeshadows or something beige. It doesn't really matter, guys. You can actually use some shimmers or it can be matte color. Now I want to do black eyeliner, really thick line, but I try to keep it super close to the lash line. I'm going to start from the outer corner, go up and go back. I want to let it dry completely before I add anything else on top. And I want to smudge out the lash line or this thick liner with a little bit of brown eyeshadows. I don't want to do anything crazy. I don't want to do chocolatey deep color. I want to go with something neutral. It's not going to be super light color. It's not going to be beige basically. And it's not going to be something crazy pigmented. I have an angle brush and the color I'm going for is going to be this brown. And let's cover my eye with the paper. This way we're going to prevent any fallouts. I'm going to pat this color on top of my eyeliner all the way to the inner corner. On a little bit different brush, this is a pointy, fluffier brush. I will pick on the same color, tap it off, and go over to smudge out the color. You can use the shade up to your brow bone or to your crease, depending on, guys. And I want to add a little bit more eyeliner in the inner corner. I want to make sure that we have this beautiful angle. Follow your natural eye shape. And with the same brush and the same color I used, I want to do something right here. And I will add a bit more this Kisses in the inner corner with a little bit different brush. Let's add a bit more brown in this area, so we're kind of like smudging everything out and prolonging my colors. You can add shimmers for the brow bone, or you can leave it like this. It's totally optional. I'm gonna use translucent powder and two of my mascaras. This one, Essence of Crazy Violet Mascara, and this is Essence of Crazy Violet Mascara, waterproof, blue color. I will coat lashes with this mascaras. Guys, it's time to do this beautiful red lip. I have NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick. This one is super old. It's expired as hell, I would say. But I don't really use it much. That's why we still have a lot of product. Red color is not my color. I look weird with this shade. But I always add brown lip liner on top of this red lipstick, and it looks gorgeous with my skin tone. It looks great with my eyes. Just, I love this combination. Okay, so I have a final thought. This is Huda Beauty, and this is an eyeliner. This is super, super pretty. I want to give a little bit more sparkle to the look with this eyeliner, and I'm not going to bring this to the center of the lip. I want to bring it somewhere where I'm not going to touch it with my tongue or while I'm eating or drinking, on top of the cupid's bow and a little bit on the bottom of the lip. It's not going to be visible, but small glitter here and there. Okay guys, this is the final result, and I love this red lipstick with this really pretty, super soft, super simple eye makeup look. If you want to give it a try, let me know in the comments, because I want to know if you love this glitter on top of the cupid's bow and a little bit on the bottom, or you think it's a little bit extra or maybe not really safe. Okay, I'm gonna see you in my next video, hopefully, guys. Love you all so much. Till next time, bye bye.